drain. If your air handler is sweating like this, you more than likely have a stopped up drain. We have a trap right here, a running trap. Personally not my favorite, but they stop up very easily. And the water can't come through that little dip because it's full of like gunk and debris. So the water can't come out, so it goes back into the system. Look down this pipe. There's no moisture going through it at all. That was the pipe outside. So what we're gonna do is pop this door off. This is what it looks like on the inside. Nasty. It's 11 years old. This is a Nordyne attached to a 2009 American Standard heat pump system. See, okay, it has water. Now, they call this is humid inside. Now, these systems are dehumidifiers. So when your drain line stops up and the water doesn't come out and it starts to back up into the system, these systems do exactly the opposite of what they're designed to do. So instead of removing humidity, they pump humidity into the house. And for whatever reason, women feel it more than men. So if your wife is tripping, saying that it's humid in the house but it feels good to you, chances are she's not tripping. So call somebody or go look at your air handler, see if it's dripping, see if your pipe's dripping outside. I'm gonna show you how to clear it out. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, I killed the power outside so the system doesn't freeze up or anything like that. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pour some hot water down the drain. Now I always pour hot water down the drain because it breaks up all the stuff inside of it a little better than cold water. And two, if you got more than one air conditioner and more than one pipe outside, which you should, you'll know what drain goes to which system. So we're gonna pour the water down it, and I'm gonna put a cap on it on top of the vent. So I have 100% suction coming straight to the pan. So we're gonna hit it up and do that. Now this could possibly clear it, but then again it could not. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do outside once I pour the water in it. Alright, I'm in the crawl space, so with no vapor barrier and Virginia Beach, so don't matter if water gets on the ground because it's already treacherous under here anyway. A little water won't hurt. You're gonna chug it. Harder than it looks holding a cell phone, and I'm left-handed. Lift this up a little bit just to kind of get it back up in there. I'm trying to get some of this water in that trap. Alright. Push this back down a little bit. And then put the cap on. I gotta call outside. Alright, we got a little bit of barf, but see no water's coming out. That's a gallon of water. If you ain't got one, get one. It's called a Mighty Pump. Or just get a shop vac. Alright. Set this up. Oh yeah. see it, but the water's coming out this side. Alright, I'm gonna go pour some more water down it. Hit it one more time. I like about this pump. When you grab the blockage, you can tell you grabbed it, you can tell when you cleared it. It was like $60 for it. Well worth it. One side sucks, the other side pulls. So you can suck water out of a pan into the drain instead of going back and forth with the shot back. Awesome. So I'm sure it'll be good to go.